I'm Jim with HD Pocket Doors. We're here in Central Phoenix, walking through a house that we've installed pocket door frames in. Walking from the laundry room, we'll walk past a butler's pantry, and this is the entrance into the living room, and we happen to have a pocket door frame here. So one of the things I want to talk about today is what we go through doing an installation of one of our frames. Obviously, these frames come boxed up and ready for installation. Obviously, we have to unbox the frame. There are some brackets that are mounted to the header that need to be removed prior to installation, so we remove those. There's a piece of wood here at this point. We call that our track cover, and we have to remove that so during the installation we can go ahead and put the screws in to level the header. But when all that stuff is removed, we bring the header over. We've got our laser level set up with a height that's shooting a beam clear across the entry. Once that laser level is set, we bring the header over and we attach it to the framing header and then shim it to where it's following the laser line. Once we have all that secured, we take the posts, we insert them into the bracket that attaches to the floor. We bring it over, we have it angled a little bit. We put it into the cups on the top. We do the same thing to this side here. We bring the posts in. On a 2x6 wall, we have 2.5 inches in between the posts. We have a spacer block that's already set up. We put that in between it, clamp everything together. We line everything across. We normally have a line on the floor that we can go by, but we always take a level, put it against the walls, and make sure that everything is running on the same line coming across. When that's good, we put our level on here, on the face of the split jamb, put that in the correct place. We check this to make sure that it's level, plumb. And when all that is taken care of, secure the plate to the floor with our screws, pins, and then all that's left is mounting our T-guide to the floor. So the spacer that we have has a slot in it. Now we set it upright and run it this way, put our T-guide in that slot, perfectly centers it in here. We hold it out the right dimension from the frame so that the door remains in the pocket. And when that's in the right place, we fasten that to the floor, secure it. For instance, if this door is further coming against this wall, we make sure that there's nailing for drywall here in the pocket. When everything is all complete, we have a blower, we blow everything off, we clean up our mess, we make sure that all of our shims are cut off, none of the posts are damaged, we're done. So, if you have a project, you need some frames installed here in the Phoenix area, we're more than happy to help you out with that. Again, I'm Jim with HD Pocket Doors. Give us a call. We'd love to help you out with your installation.